Oh, okay, so I'm so tired now. Whew. Trying to see the famous Acropolis. And I am breathing so hard. I'm not good with exercise, So I think this was a bad idea. Oh my God. Whoops. Oh, shh. More stairs. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Oh, I think I need to rest for a while. Thank you.
Acropolis is a rock,
Okay.
one of the 9 hills, not 7 they're riding.
Yeah.
It is the third highest, 156 meters high.
Wow.
We will be there soon and you'll realize Athens city is like a theater. We have the
Okay.
higher mountains around us,
Yeah.
natural protection from
Okay.
the north cold winds.
Okay.
Because we have soft winter, we live here in Athens, the half of the Greek population.
Okay.
10.5 million people we are all together in the whole country, legally registered. 4.5 million people we live here with the port Piraeus.
Wow.
Yeah. Placed on the beautiful Aegean Sea, named to the king of Athens, Aegeus,
Okay.
the father of Theseus. Theseus killed the monster Minotaurus in Crete. Those kings, they were living up here.
Yeah.
And the sea here, we got Acropolis. Acro means the edge.
Okay.
Polis, city.
The Edge City.
Before you exit, that is what I was trying to tell him.
Yeah.
You have to go around the old path, the Peripatos way.
Okay.
You will see the real theater of Dionysus, the caves, because here we have spring water. Only here we have water, not on the other 9 hills. Therefore we call it Acropolis.
Okay.
People lived 4000 BC, New
Okay.
Stone time. The Mycenaean time,
Yeah.
part of the Bronze Age, 1700 until 11 BC.
Yeah.
We have here different kingdoms.
Okay.
The King Aegeus made his palace. Safe place, big water, close to the sea, nice view. You see the Piraeus, the sea. What else you want the king? According to Herodotus, the first, after they were not afraid, they settled down on the fields, life is easier. They made the Agora, their center, to the north, the center of the city.
Yeah.
And after here, it will be a holy place.
Oh.
In every Greek holy place, no one is allowed to born, to die, or to live.
Oh.
Even the guard lived outside.
Oh.
It will be the space of their God
Yeah.
between us. They made different temples. In that time, the temple it was a house or something very precious. And precious is something you don't have it.
Yeah.
So the most important temple here is they made Parthenon to place the first golden ivory statue of Athena, pure Parthena, Parthenon,
Yeah.
goddess of wisdom, peace, civilization. The wise, the peaceful, the civilized ideas we want from people. Because Athena, she represents ideas. The edge of the city, when people live in the caves because there is water. The
Okay.
king lived here, the
Oh.
best place for the ruler.
Okay.
The first fortification, time of the Trojan War.
Yeah.
After 300 years geological catastrophes, it will be a holy place. They
Okay.
made temples in the 6th century. The Persians came and destroyed them. And then the Athenians will not give up. So never give up in your life. They paid the slaves here were laborers. They got paid with the money of the city to bring the marble up here.
Oh.
15 years. But the glass
Wow.
commodities, which are all made after the Persian catastrophe, it is not the work of the slaves. Pericles, the leader of Athens, announced all the best artists. They made a competition. Phidias won. And Phidias, he will be the master of the classical perfect temples.
Okay.
Human size, perfect.
Yeah.
And I was trying to give you the spiritual background of all the students.
Oh,
This is
okay.
the entrance, Pericles. Made 435. Missacles, the architect, made it.
Yeah.
The ceiling was painted blue with golden star. To
Okay.
the north there is a room. There were wooden paintings against the wall.
Yeah.
So they call it Pinacothèque Art Gallery. We
Okay.
would say library.
Oh.
No public education there, no books for everybody. So here, teachers, philosophers, they will give their knowledge directly to everyone.
Oh.
Not like now, we are all isolated
Yeah.
at home through internet, through media.
Yeah.
This side here they didn't finish. Just to make in front the most beautiful temple of goddess Athena Nike
Yeah.
means victory.
Okay.
When the athletes win, that's a nice feeling.
Yeah.
So with us that they were abuses, they cut the wings of victory, keep Nike here,
Yeah.
not flying away, so
Oh.
that the Athenians will be winners all the time.
Yeah.
Now again, Athena Nike here is with broken wings because it was a victory in a civil war. It can never be a holy feeling when you kill your brother and your sister for no reason.
Yeah.
There is no excuse. Always, we need to solve our problems peaceful and civilized.
Yeah.
If we succeed, then we are the winners. We will feel nice.
Yes.
When we start using violence, like we do now with demonstration, it's almost a civil war.
Yeah.
And to kill each other, even if we win, it won't be a nice feeling. Victory, you understand now?
Yeah.
Why they killed it? Many Athenians. We had Athena protecting the pole. To the left side, you see the temple Erectio.
Yeah.
The middle part was for Athena protecting the poli, the citizens. And in front of the Erectio, they will finish the procession. To the right is Parthenon, the most important temple. I tell you, Athena pure, Athena, goddess of history, civilization, and represent all of us being equal to the gods.
Oh.
Platonica paradise.
Oh, okay.
The symbol of UNESCO and all humans is Parthenon.
Okay.
1981, give me your photo. UNESCO.
The brand?
Yes.
Oh, I'm correct. Oh.
Above all, we say Apollon represents our brain.
Oh,
Nous,
good.
knowledge. Athens, Athena, represent ideas of our brain.
Wow.
Good Apollon is good ideas, good Athenas.
Oh.
Bad brain, bad Athenas.
Oh.
Bad ideas. Love, hate, speaking, seeing, moving. This is it.
Yeah.
Use it right and you can win everything.
Yeah.
That is the Greek culture. They don't find the solution for us. They tell us the way, the possibility we all go through.
Yeah.
And after we are more one, peaceful and civilized. And from the individual development, we can have that perfect society I told you that represents the air. And the air is the symbol of UNESCO and of all humans. Symbol of hope, courage and faith to everyone.
Good.
Erectio, it has 3 holy places. The veranda to the north side, it was for Poseidon, Neptune, and the Romans. He would eat there with his trident, see water came out. Many times this around the Port Piraeus was an island. That was rowing. Athena before, like all ladies, she was a life goddess,
Yeah.
representing earth, life. She gave the olive tree. There is always there behind a young olive tree. It's a symbol of
Yeah.
one only we don't have. It is in the British Museum, the second from the left, the sweet one. Lord Edogun took her away in 1912. They
Oh.
are not slaves, princesses and priestesses.
Yeah.
Dancing in a circle, meeting in the middle, like our tradition dances are.
Yeah, I know.
It's the symbolism of recycling.
Yeah, I love the
and
Greek
life.
dance.
Yes, and you know, we will all die. What we do remains in the memory of people, makes us immortal.
Yeah, you're
That
right.
veranda, it was dedicated to all kings of us. My daughter there, it's a nice romantic spot. You see Acropolis as well.
Yeah.
15 kilometers behind the mountain Pentele, where the Athenians, they get the best quality white marble, big pieces, they can build temples. The entrance to every temple was from here, from east, from the sun.
Yeah.
Iktinos and Kallikratis, two architects for Parthenon. They did 9 years to build it only,
Yeah.
6 years for the decoration for the statue.
Yeah.
In 15 years they were ready. 447 starting,
Oh.
432. You remember it goes down? Ready. 4-3. Straight, but they're all around, eh?
Yes.
No optical illusion, protection from earthquake. The
Yeah.
columns, they're not parallel, they're leaning inside into each other.
Yes.
7 centimeters, the corner one's down.
Yeah.
We will extend them up in 2,450 meters. They will meet in one point, like a pyramid. So
Oh.
all the weight of the upper pieces,
Yeah.
only one piece of the ceiling is 20 tons. It doesn't go
Whoa.
vertical to the understone and break it, but it goes with the ekphotic system to the side, this part and this side. You see how easy it was?
Yeah.
Never was partner of all the engineers, they are in simple and perfect construction, protected from air. Give me a photo of the conservative past with a progressive show. Palace, warrior, fighting to be accepted. We did not accept this yes. And at that moment we call her Pallas. Hephaestus, the fire god, the son of Zeus, he had the most beautiful, the goddess of love, of the beginning.
It's so
of that
beautiful. Oh my
the name
goodness.
of the lady was Erethi. Ero means rise. Theonio means earth. It came from
Wow.
We call that temple Erethe. We say erectus, almost up instead. I told you this
Yeah.
nice story to show you the symbolism. And the
Yeah.
other temple is reality.
Yeah.
Ideas of people, opinions of people with all our monsters, physical needs from earth coming.
Yeah.
In Parthenon, the same Athena, ideas of people, but pure Parthena. She has won all these monsters' physical needs, and Athens is the goddess of this civilization. You see?
Yeah.
So we would like to be. Down there you see the stadium from the ancient time.
Yeah.
You see the columns of the temple to Olympian
Yeah.
Zeus. The theater of Dionysus, the god of fertility, wine, pleasure, fun.